All right, my friends, we now have the ability to list out streams, create them, edit them, and delete them. So in this video, we're going to start working on the last big page of our application, the show stream page. Now, whenever a user comes to the path of streams/3, we're going to want to show this page right here that has some details about the stream and eventually that video player as well. Remember, we're not going to really worry about the video player or the actual streaming of video until the very end of the application, because the real idea behind this app was to show you CRUD operations. Remember, create, replace, update, destroy, or excuse me, create, read, update, destroy. So we're going to first focus on just making sure that we can load up this particular stream and show some details about it on the page. That entire process is going to be just about identical to what we've now gone through with edit and delete. So we're going to want to make a class-based component that's going to attempt to look at the URL, find the ID inside there, fetch that stream, get the stream out of our Redux store, and then show it inside the render method. Pretty much the same thing we've now done twice over. So let's get to it. To get started, I'm going to first open up my app.js file. Inside of app.js, I'm going to make sure that I update my route right here from stream/show, because remember that was kind of like a stand-in route, to instead be streams/:ID like so. So then I'll save this. And now the next thing we want to do is make sure that on our stream list, so the stream list over here, anytime that we click on like this header right here, I want to navigate over to the appropriate component. Like I want to navigate over to streams/the ID of that stream I had just clicked on. So in order to do so, I'm going to open up my stream list file. Here's stream list. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'll find render list right here. So inside of render list, we've got the div that contains the stream's title. So we're going to want to wrap that with a link element from React Router DOM, so that whenever a user clicks on that title right there, we attempt to navigate the user over to the appropriate page. So I'm going to first make sure that we have imported the link tag or the link component from React Router DOM. So I'll go up to the top here really quickly. Yep, we've got that import right there. So I'll go back down to render list, and I'm going to wrap that stream title with link. So now I'm going to pass this thing a toProp. Now, just as we've seen many times before, we're going to want to customize the path that this attempts to navigate to only when this thing gets rendered, because we essentially want to take the ID off the stream and customize that path. So inside of a set of curly braces, I'm going to place backticks. As usual, not single quotes here, we're making use of backticks. And I'll say /streams/ $curly brace stream.id. So that's going to generate a path very much like the one that we want. It will be stream/ and then the ID of the stream that we're trying to visit. I'm also going to add on a class name to this link element of header, like so. All right, so let's now save this, and we'll flip back over. And it looks like I now have links on the title of each of those different streams. So let's now try clicking on one of these and just seeing what happens. Okay, so I come over here and I see stream show appear on the screen. I can go back and go to other stream. Notice how I'm now at streams/2. And if I go back to the original one, I'm at streams/1. Okay, so that looks pretty darn good. Now let's take a quick pause right here. When we come back to the next section, we'll start working on our stream show component.